Charles Curtis was an American attorney and Republican politician from Kansas who served as the 31st Vice President of the United States from 1929 to 1933. A member of the Kaw Nation born in the Kansas Territory, Curtis was the first person with significant Native American ancestry and the first person with acknowledged non-European ancestry to reach either of the highest offices in the federal executive branch. He is the highest-ranking enrolled Native American ever to serve in the federal government. He is the most recent executive branch officer to have been born in a territory rather than a state. His mother was Native American of mixed Kaw, Osage, and French ancestry. His father was of British origin. After having served as a United States representative and having been elected 3 times as United States Senator from Kansas, Curtis was chosen as Senate Majority Leader by his Republican colleagues. Curtis entered political life when he was 32 years old. He won multiple terms from his district in Topeka, Kansas, beginning in 1892 as a Republican to the U.S. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.